Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to fade out audio using Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I've added a short video with some audio attached. Start by clicking on Effects and searching for Exponential Fade. Click and drag the Exponential Fade effect to the end of your audio track. And now your audio will have a very basic fade out. To adjust the fade duration, click on the Select tool, then click and drag the fade's edge to your desired length. You can also double-click the fade to manually adjust its length. To fade audio in, go back to your effects and search for Constant Gain. Drag this effect onto the start of your audio track. For more complex fade controls, click and drag the thickness of your audio track so you can see the volume control line, as shown. Now, hold Control on your Windows keyboard, Command on your Mac keyboard, and click as many times along the volume control line as you want control points. Take your finger off Control and click and drag each control point to shape your desired fade. You can also simply drag the line between your middlemost control points to adjust the volume between those points and create a quick and simple fade out and fade in. Additionally, if you start to drag a control point and then hold Control after dragging it, it will give you more accurate control over the movement of your control point. If you have too many control points, you can right-click any one of them and delete it. Lastly, you can further refine your fade by holding the Control key again and clicking a control point to reveal handles that will allow you to adjust the curve. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.